What's that?
Ocean.
Oh, ano yan?
Ocean.
The ocean. Wow.
Another ocean.
Oh, grabe ka naman gumipit. Napaka...
Yes. So good. This is color paper.
Oh, color paper ang tawag dyan.
Yeah. Are you still doing?
I think you have, fish na figures. Do you have? For the ocean? Anong figure ay lalagay mo dyan?
Fish, but my fish toys is
Ano yan? White na yan?
is the
What?
waves, the tiny waves.
Oh, the tiny waves. Mm. Anong place yan? Boracay ba yan?
Yes,
Palawan?
it's the beach.
Yeah, beach ng ano?
Oh, the sunset.
Boracay. Yun pa lang napuntahan mo eh.
Yeah, it's the beach of Pilipinas.
Beach of the Pilipinas.